Today, industries are in tough competitions. Businesses nurtures excellence to maintain customer satisfaction and like to exceed beyond expectations. At the same time bring cost effectiveness in operations with higher efficiencies. Reputed industries get accreditations of ISO certification with applicable standards to implement and comply the respective quality management system. ISO audit as a systematic, independent, and documented process of gathering and evaluating information about various processes of the organizations to determine compliances as per applicable standards being audited. To complete an ISO audit, you need to know about various types of ISO audits. Which information is required, the frequency of the audit. What are the internal auditors responsible for? The differences between internal and external audits. What is the audit processes and how to maintain the documentations? NEATmet has been rigorously designed 50 hours online courseware to give deeper understanding of ISO audit, guidelines and practices. Visit NEATmet website to learn more and enroll to discover the details of ISO audit, guidelines, methodologies and practices.